Hello friends, so today we are solving this problem N-ary Tree Postorder Traversal. So let's explain what that N-ary tree is. So N-ary tree is just like binary tree has two nodes, right, at max. But in case of N-ary there could be any number of nodes as a child. Okay, so for example we can have like this lot of childs could be there, right? Let's say we have this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, then similarly these guys also can have further more childs. Let's say it has 5, it has 6, like that. So what post order is? Post order is, first of all we print all the child of a node and then we print that node itself. So for example, if we gonna print this, first of all we will come to this root, right? So before printing this root we have to print all these guys, right? 2, 3, 4. This is 2 basically, so let me correct it. So see now, if we want to print the post order of it, we will come to the root, right? Function will be called at root, then it will come to 2, 3 and 4. But before printing 2, because 2 is also the parent of these guys 5, 6, 7s, right? So first we have to print 5, 6, 7, then only its parent can be printed. So what would be the output of post order traversal? 5, then 6, then 7, right? Now 5, 6, 7 are the child of 2. So now they are printed, then we will print the child 2, parent like 2. Then we will go to the further 3 and 4. 3 and 4 don't have any child, so we will print them as it is. So 3 and 4. Now we are done with all the child of this guy, root. So finally we will print this guy, 1. So this should be our approach. Now we will do a recursive call. Okay, so what happens, let's say this is our function rec. Okay, so we will call this recursive function on our root. Okay, so in this root, once we are calling it here, it will first go to its childs, right? The call will transfer to here, right? And it will check whether these guys has further child. So at the 2 they have further child, so this call would be transferred here. Now these guys don't have any child, so that is why 5, 6, 7 they will print these, and this will be come back to here. The recursion would come back, recursion call come back here, then it will print 2, 3 and 4. After doing this, the recursive call come back here and we will print 1. So this would be our approach. So let's do the code with me. So answer return type is a list, right? So let's make a global list here so that we can return our answer. So this would be list integer answer equal to new array list of integers, right? So we will call it, this would be our global thing. Now we'll write a one void function, public void, I will call it util, and we will pass the node root, whatever node root it is. So first of all what we will do, we will check if this root is null or not. Okay, so if root is null, then there is no point we would be returning. Otherwise what we will do, we will traverse through all the children. See here, this is the class, right? So it has value as well as the children list. So we have to go to all the childrens to call the function, right? The way which we were doing here, 2, 3, 4, right? So similarly we will do it here. So what we will do here, we have just created this method. So now we will do for node temp coming from root dot childrens, right? So root dot children. Now what we will do, we will call this function util to all the child whoever is encountering here. Okay, now after doing with all the child, what we will do, we will add the parent value into this list which we just created. So here what we will do, answer dot add and root dot val. So in this way we would call this function. So let's call our util function here. So util and root. Okay, and then we will return our answer list, global list, right? So let me try to run it. Okay, it is running. Let me try to submit it. Yeah, so it is 100% faster. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.